afternoon. Well, I thought I'd take you along for a little adventure, see how it goes. I decided to fire up the forge today. We're gonna build a try to build a cutoff hardy for my anvil. I don't have one yet, and I've been meaning to build one for a while, and well, we'll see how it goes. I've never dealt with something quite this big, a hunk of steel, and we're gonna see how it goes. Turn you around. There's my little room for my forge, hiding in there. Take you in there. It's gonna be a little noisy, so we'll see how it goes. But got my steel in the fire, trying to warm up, and we'll see how she goes. Worst thing can happen is it doesn't work. Take it for a look. Forge, cranking away. Anvil. Rest of my goodies over here. So, step outside so you can hear what I'm trying to say. Forging, I started blacksmithing a year or so ago. Took a couple of courses, but I thought it's a fun hobby. It's a good thing to get into if anybody's interested. I definitely think it's a good thing to try. It's fun. Learn a little bit about your history, how they used to do it back in the day, you know, when they used to pull plows with the horse. That's how they fixed things. Took it to the local blacksmith. He used to fix up your plow or fix up whatever you had broken, and back to work you went. So you learn a little bit about history and a little bit about the fun it is to make your own whatever you want to make. You know, my grandfather, way back in the day, actually my great-grandfather, way back, used to be a blacksmith. So I know you thought it was a pretty good deal. I thought, you know, I'm going to try doing a little bit of what he did, and we're going to see how it goes. It's a fun hobby. I recommend trying if you get a chance. Take a course.
My sweet time. It's a pretty good afternoon when it feels like you got nothing to lose. Everything is good, everything is just fine.
Alright, so I moved you outside so we can talk because it's a little noisy in there. I'm waiting for my steel to heat back up. Realize this is a really big piece of steel, so I'm going to bang away at it for a little bit. I'll bring you guys back here when I get a little bit more progress going, and we'll see how it goes. It's going to be a slow process, but I think it should turn out good if we ever get it done. So, see what happens. Catch you in a little while. There, thought I'd do a real short little update. Of course, I'd step outside. There's noise inside there, but sorry about the wind. If there's some wind noise, kind of windy today. The flag's just flapping. But tongs. Had to reshape my tongs. Heat them up, bend them because they just wouldn't hold the steel I wanted them to hold. I recommend make your tongs to fit your job. So much easier, so much better if they grip what you want them to grip. Just thought I'd throw that in there real quick. Don't fight with something that don't work. Build you a set of good ones. That's all I gotta say for now. And I'll show you a little progress in a moment here. See you later. Slowly coming along. Starting to turn into some shape. It's a long process. Get you back soon. Alright, well, it's slowly coming along. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of hammering. But I'm learning a little bit of stuff. And I think I should have started with a little smaller piece of steel. However, it's in the process now, so I'm not going to quit. But if there's any better ideas, like I'm a new guy, if you have a better idea, stick it in the comments. That'd be fantastic. I'd much appreciate it. But at this point, I'm committed. I'm going to finish it off. I'll show you a little later on. Thanks. Thought I'd do a little picture update. Nice and sunny when I started this morning. And now we got this wonderful white garbage falling out of the sky. And it's April the 14th. Yeah. It's super awesome. But inside that little shed right there, it's nice and warm. So, carry on. Catch you soon. first attempt at a Hardy tool. Not quite finished yet, but it's got the basic shape pretty much of what we need. I didn't get quite 100% centered, but it's pretty close. I'm reasonably happy with it. It's, of course, I don't know, you guys probably, professionals probably think it's terrible, but I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to put an edge on it and see what we can do with this hammer marks that are in a few spots here where I want to try to dress it up a little bit. Honestly, that's not going to make any difference on whether it cuts or not, but why not make it look good, right? So I'll do a little bit of touching up here and I'll bring you guys back for the finished product. Alright, here's first look at the finished product. I'm fairly happy with it. It's not perfect. It's pretty good. Apparently my Hardy hole is not exactly the same both ways. But whatever. This is the way I'm going to be using it most of the time anyway. But I'm pretty happy with it. Turned out reasonably symmetrical. A little bit off, not quite right, I guess, but you know, I'm learning. Trying to learn, trying to do what I can do. Try it. Well, that's about it for today. That's my little video for today. I recommend get out in your shop, build something. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. And enjoy it, and God bless. Have a good day.